Trakpo Sumtril Visualization Guide. Part 1. Trakpo Sumtril Generation Visualization. Visualize a lotus and sun cushion in front of you, appearing out of emptiness. On top of the sun cushion is a dark blue hum. Light from the hum emanates in all directions. It makes offerings to all the Buddhas and pleases them. Then, light goes to all sentient beings of the 6 realms. It purifies their sufferings and they become happy. The lights return to the hum. The hum transforms into Trakpo Sumtril. At his crown is a white Om. At his throat is a red Ah. At his heart is a dark blue hum. Light from the hum emanates in all directions and invites the wisdom beings. The wisdom beings arrive in the form of Trakpo Sumtril and dissolve into him. Your visualization becomes the perfect embodiment of the 3 jewels. Part 2. Mantra Recitation Visualization 1. At Vajrapani's heart is a blue hum on a lotus and sun cushion. Trakpo Sumtril's mantra forms a garland around the hum. Light emanates from the hum and mantra garland and purifies you of all evils, illness, and defilements. At the same time, the blessings of the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas gather in the form of light rays. These lights dissolve into the hum and mantra garland. Your lifespan, merit, and all wholesome qualities increase vigorously. Part 3. Mantra Recitation Visualization 2. Rays of white light emanate from King Garuda's crown. The light pacifies all harm caused by nagas and landowner spirits that live underground. The body blessings of the Buddhas of the 10 directions enter into all beings. It purifies and removes all obscurations related to the body. Rays of red light emanate from Hayagriva's horse head. The light pacifies all harm caused by interfering king and leader spirits on the earth. The speech blessings of the Buddhas of the 10 directions enter into all beings. It purifies and removes all obscurations related to this speech. Rays of blue light emanate from Vajrapani's body. The light pacifies all harm caused by interfering spirits above the earth and inauspicious astrological constellations. The mind blessings of the Buddhas of the 10 directions enter into all beings. It purifies and removes all obscurations related to the mind. Your lifespan, merit, and all wholesome qualities increase vigorously.